Oh, that color is pretty. It smells. Oh, this gloss is so beautiful. This busy really surprised me. Hi butterflies, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, and if you're not new, thank you so much my boo for coming back to my channel today. Happy new year to every one of you. I pray and I hope that all your heart desires come to pass in this new year. All your prayers, all your goals, all your visions, everything comes to pass. This year is good to you. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a review. It's the new Vanessa collection with Juvias Place. Listen, Juvias Place kills it when it comes to pigment, when it comes to representation, when it comes to just treating us Nubian queens right. And I love that they collaborated with Vanessa. She's a super talented beauty influencer, beauty blogger, makeup artist. Like, her talent is insane. So it was really like amazing that they got to do this together. So in today's video, I'm just going to be playing around with the colors, showing you guys how it looks and performs on the eyes. They have two glosses which I'll be showing you guys in the video today. If you like to see what look I come up with using this palette and the glosses, please keep on watching. If you end up enjoying, kindly consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing and sticking around for future tutorials in this year. Shout out quickly to my boo Sarah Keola. You're amazing. You know why. I love you. Without further much talking, let's get into the video. So the collection contains an eyeshadow palette and two glosses. The eyeshadow palette is similar to the size of the one, slightly smaller than the one with Fumi de Salvold. So these are what the colors look like. I reduced my light so that you can see it. They have 6 shades in total. Just really cute. The collection also came with 2 glosses. The shades are Legit Nude and Naomi. So Legit Nude is a nude gloss and Naomi is like pinkish nude gloss. This is what the colors look like in real life. They are so pigmented, so pretty. Swatches done. From the swatches, they are really pigmented. The eyes are blended to perfection. The base, it's very important that you have a base that helps your eyeshadow stick. To start off, I'm going to be dipping into a shader brush and I'm going to pick up BSG. I'm just going to use this shader brush just because I want to ensure that it packs on the color as much as possible. I'm also like bringing it into my brow bone like area just to kind of give my eyes. I'm just playing around with the shape here. The next step after that would be to still take that BSG on a fluffy this brush and I'm just blending that because I want a more like flawless application there. I don't want it to look harsh. I'm also bringing it in here because it's also helping to add to my nose contour. It looks really nice when I do it in pictures, so I wanted to show you guys that. After that, I'm still going to go in with BSG and I'm just going to still intensify that brown after blending it out, just so I can get more definition in my crease. There's no black in this palette, so I would have to make sure I can get this to the darkest level I can to give me the effect I'm going for. I'm thinking if I'm going to do a cut crease or just keep it simple and just like a good nude eye, so that if you're following and you don't know how to do a cut crease, you know, it will be easy for you. But so far so good. These shadows are blending like a dream. Like, pigment is on 100. It's nothing, you know, short of Juvias Place eyeshadows, if that makes sense. Like, it's so good. So now I'm blending out the edges once more, kind of bringing it out as well. If you know Vanessa on Instagram, you would know that she's the queen of like soft look, soft glam. So I knew that, yes, her palette really stands out as, you know, what she's known for, what she loves. She does colors too sometimes, but like when Vanessa does a good nude look for you, you've been away. I'm going to go into the shade Busy, and with Busy I'm going to pack that onto my eyelid, and also I'm taking it up just higher. I'm not going to cut my crease, but this is going, oh, that color is pretty. So it's a nude, but it's a peachy nude. It looks like it's not a peachy nude in the pan. It looks like it will be this color on my eyelid, but it's more peachy. I like the color. So now that the eyes are like this, I just went ahead to apply like 2 layers of this color. It is so fine. Like I don't think I have a color the palette that has this color. I'm going into Touche. It's a burnt orange shade there. So with Touche, I'm going to mix Touche and Aqua together. I'm going to mix both of them and just gently tap. You see the color it gave us. Ooh, this eye is not going according to how I planned this, but like the colors are so pigmented. Okay, so to mute that down, let me blend it out first. Just blending it to kind of merge this and the outer brown. I'm going in with more of Touche now than Aqua. I'm going in with the brown, just right outside there, and just dragging it in as gently as I can. Oh, that's so soft and so pretty. So that's it for the eyes for now. We've used all the MAC colors. Before we go ahead into the shimmers, I want to put a lighter liner in my waterline. So I'm using my Rumor eyeshadow base. I'm going to go into BSG and just slightly go underneath my waterline. The palette's not even giving me any difficulties whatsoever, so I'm having more fun just teaching you guys this, nice, easy look to do. The overall aim here is just to make sure the top marries the bottom in terms of eyeshadow. So I'm applying black gel liner to the top of my lash, and I'm going to blend that out with the BSG shade because I just want that place to be a bit darker, that's all. And I'm going in immediately to blend that out with BSG. So this is what the result is. I'm not bringing the eyeliner all the way in. I'm just literally just taking it here, just so it can give my eyes a lift from the outside. These brushes I'm using are a combination of brushes from Evika Joseph and Vicabel brushes. Their brushes are incredible, like Morphe standard, trust me. Now that I think I'm satisfied with how it's looking, I'm going to go into the shades Extra and Perfectionist. I told you I'm going to use all shades in this palette and I'm going to use that in here. I think it's one of those shades that only show up with water or with your finger. Setting spray. Yes, and this is what it looks like with moisture. Applying mascara. I'm using LIipgloss mascara. I'm just going to dust off the excess that fell off, which wasn't a lot. For eyelashes, I'm using this one from JLux Beauty Co. And it doesn't have a star written on it, but that's what I'll be using. I'm actually going to try to use Touche as a blush. First, I'll use BSG as a contour, but I'll be very gentle. I just want to just add just a bit. This BSG shade is really pigmented, so I'm barely touching the areas I'm applying it to my face. Next, I'm going to go into Touche, and I'm going to use it as a blush, very lightly. This is, the colors are pigmented, so you gotta be careful. You see, pigmented. Also applying a bit on the nose. To line my lips, I'll be using my pencil from Beauty Line by Didi in the shade Maroon. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and just use legit nude, just because it's going to go with these eyes. Well, Juvias Place. It smells, oh my god, it smells so good. Wow, that was a pleasant surprise. Oh. Oh, this gloss is so beautiful. I don't know if I add a bit of pink. Okay, so let me add a bit of the pink one, Naomi. Like, I'm literally not doing anything, I'm just smacking my lips together. And see how good it looks. Oh my god. All done. I'm going to set my face now. This is the finished look. So guys, that completes the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look for you from start to finish. Let's talk about this for a moment, okay? The pigmentation was insane, the color payoff, the color selection as well. Like, I did this entire look without reaching out for any other color, just using this palette. So even if I wanted to use like these on my lid and these in my crease, if I wanted to use this all over my lid as well, like, it's a very, and I use it for blush and contour as well. So it blended like a dream, like actual butter. I didn't even know what I was expecting, but this was not even what I was expecting, because a few of the Juvias Place palettes I've tried are a bit like, I don't know the word, like really pressed, so it's not pigmented when you're swatching with the brushes. But this one, I didn't even need to do so much. It was ready to work with me. I love it. I love it so much, and I recommend you to get it if you can, if it's still available. I love it. Juvias Place and Vanessa, well done, well done. And the gloss, it shocked me by smelling so good. Once I perceived it, my senses were like, it smells so nice. I love that it smelled that good. And this is the mixture of the two of them on my lips in this video. I love how they feel on the lips as well. I didn't need to do so much. They are not sticky. I just, you know, blended my lips together, and they are really smooth. Like, they don't look like they are going to leave any streaks behind. Once again, the only con I have about this palette is I wish there was a mirror here, but Juvias Place do not do mirrors here. So yeah, apart from that, this is an amazing, like, it's amazing. The colors are really, I want to say they are unique, but like, just the way they behave, I don't know how to explain it. The colors as well, like, I've seen burnt oranges, but not this shade in a lot of my palettes, even this aqua. All in all, overall, I give this palette a 10 out of 10. I give this launch a 10 out of 10. Like, if you can get your hands on it, you're going to love it. It's amazing, it's wonderful. Congratulations to Vanessa once again, and well done to Juvias Place. Like, you guys keep setting the bar, okay? We love you over here. So yeah, in case you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel already. I mean, you come back and you watch videos and you like my vibe, stick with me now, just adhere to me. Let's go on this journey together. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, turn on post notifications so that you do not miss future uploads from me. Without further much talking, I'm going to see all you amazing butterflies in my next video. Bye. Mwah.